Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be doing my December bullet journal. It's a simple spread and I hope that you guys like it. It's been a while since I've recorded myself, but I missed something about being able to show you guys what I've created. Lately I've been inspired a lot by minimalistic spreads. I think they are just less overwhelming than having to do so many pages that sometimes I can't keep up with. Which is why I only did a title page, a month at a glance, a gratitude page, and then my brainstorm and my weekly page. I know it seems like a lot, but I've condensed these pages together so that way I can have a better workflow and manage my task a little bit easier. December has always had a really special place in my heart, so coming back to YouTube with a December bullet journal spread rather than a January one seemed fitting. Not only because my birthday falls within this month, but because it's a little bit easier to come back at the end of something than at the beginning of something. Don't know why. Maybe it'll get me into the groove of things, but for some reason December seems like a good start for me. I chose the deer for its symbolism to regeneration, to be reborn again. It has a lot of significance to my life at the moment, so it seemed pretty apt to be the one that I chose. Also because it fits in with the holiday themes. Most people associate the deer with Christmas and the holidays, so why not kill two birds with one stone? I just want to point out that these videos are in some way a tutorial, but they are more for inspiration. I want you to be inspired and to go out and draw whatever you want to draw. Like I said, the deer is for me, but it might not be for you. So take the time and be inspired if you can by this video to go and do something that you want to do. Take that leap of faith that you hadn't taken before and perhaps create something new along the way. During my years of bullet journaling without filming, I discovered the simplistic ways of condensing everything. I found many YouTubers would either spread them out or put them within one page and use the second page for something else. So that's what I did. I did my month at a glance on the left side of the page, and then my right side I put my gratitude page along with a I am bar. This is so I can do daily affirmations. They're harder for me and it's something I'm currently working on, but they help me grow and feel a little bit more confident in myself. This final part is my brainstorming page along with my weekly spread. I've noticed that when I do weekly spreads that either entail 1 to 2 pages, I rarely fill them in completely. So I moved on to putting the 7 boxes on the right and putting my brainstorming on the left. Remember that this spread works for me, so if it doesn't work for you, don't push yourself to draw something like this or do anything like it. Do whatever feels right for you and your bullet journal. Your bullet journal should be the expression of you, and me showing you this video is just so that you can get an idea of what you could possibly create if you would want to try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it brought you some light and some entertainment, at least for the few minutes that it was. If you have any ideas that you'd like to give me or any feedback, you are welcome to leave them in the comments below. And I hope you guys have a lovely, lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time.